just to make things go smoothly. Only for small things, but still. For example, if they say, oh, it's really hot outside today, even if I think it's a little bit cold out, I'll still agree and say, haha, yes, it is cold outside, isn't it? Or it is hot. Either way, it's just about agreeing with them. Alright, now it's your turn. You will have 7 minutes in one-to-one sessions. Please tell me, what do you do to connect with new people or with someone new when you meet them for the first time?
Time.
Assalamu alaikum.
Very fast time, and I would say no. This is our second time meet.
Okay.
Finally.
Nice meeting again.
Okay, nice to meet you. So, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Okay, at first I have to say I'm sorry. I have a emergency call. Okay. So our time already finished. Among them, our time already finished. We have only 3 minutes, right? We had last session. We had only 3 minutes, maybe.
Okay.
Okay. Now this session, our time 7 minutes. Okay. Where are you come from? Oh, sorry, Kuakata.
Okay. I'm from Patuakhali, but Kuakata is our pride. Kuakata
Yeah.
is our pride. This is the largest sea beach in the world, so that's why we are pride.
Yeah. Okay. I went there 2016, maybe 16. Okay. And they had Shagor Hotel. Do you have any idea about this hotel?
No. I haven't any idea because this is new shop.
Of the main.
Because
main.
No, I didn't know. Because because currently I live in Dhaka. I didn't go to my home. Didn't go to my village. I didn't go to my village. But my family and me all together stay in Dhaka, so that's why I didn't know.
Oh, okay, I know. So, are you a student?
Okay. I am a student, but I completed my.
Are you a student?
I am a student, but I already completed my honors and master's degree.
I can't hear you. Maybe connection problem.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe connection problem. Okay, now it's okay.
Okay, now it's okay. But
please.
What do you do in your living?
I'm not clear. Your last space.
My last space. I forgive this question. Please repeat the question again.
Please repeat again. You said your graduation.
Okay.
Is done.
Okay. I already completed my bachelor's and also master's degree, and my major in economics.
Good subject.
And currently I am also studying in RDM English School for speak English fluently.
Now what are you doing now?
Currently I am doing nothing. I am also doing tuition. I am teaching students.
Okay, now live in Naranganj, right?
Right.
Naranganj. Okay, you had complete already your background economical subject, economics, right?
Economics. Right.
Is this public university or
Jagannath University. Jagannath University.
Oh, Jagannath University is nearby. Okay. So you are a public university student. So I think now you are study in BCS preparation.
BCS preparation, but this is not my goal. I am studying BCS preparation. If I study BCS syllabus, that's cover all job sector. That's why I am studying BCS. But this is not my main purpose.
What is your main ambition?
My main ambition is I want to go to abroad for higher study and also settled. But my second option is uh, doing job in Bangladesh. But the recent condition is not good for getting
No.
for getting a job, because I am applied for job 1.5 year ago, but the job date is not given.
It's very complicated. I know. We know. You know. I know. We know. Okay. So you are so much brilliant. I know. So
No.
we already accord our second independent in our country.
Okay.
Second July. Okay.
We are kicked
So,
out. We are kicked out. Fascist Sheikh Hasina.
Yeah. Okay. We are kicked already. Fascist government. So you have to involve in our country, because you know your brain and your activity so much need in our country. So I think please don't go abroad. Okay, you have to live in our country and you have to service
Okay.
in our country.
Okay.
Most of the students abroad. So what is the condition our next generation in our country?
Okay. But Bangladeshi job system currently is bad, because private sector jobs, they need to be more requirement. Only salary 14K 15K, but there need to be lots of responsibility. They need to be computers knowledge. They need to be uh, speak English fluently. There need to be 5 years experience, 6 years experience.
Yeah.
But how can I get a job? There need to be more responsibility, but only 15K salary.